Hello everyone. I'm Sarah. Welcome to Sarah's Baking Channel. Halloween is coming, do you have any ideas? Today, I'm going to show you how to make Halloween finger cookies. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, mix the unsalted butter and condensed milk until smooth. Slowly add the cornstarch and knead into a dough. Sprinkle in some cocoa powder, to give the dough a darker, skin-like color. Arrange the fingers on a baking tray. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius 356 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for about 18 to 20 minutes. While the cookies are still warm, spread melted chocolate on the tip. Press an almond on top, it becomes the fingernail. And there you are, Halloween finger cookies. You can wrap them up as gifts or serve them at a Halloween party to surprise your friends. Happy Halloween! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I'm Sarah, see you next time, bye bye.